Oh, it's so sad to say goodbye, Edmonton, but we have to go back to our home in Grand Prairie. Welcome back to another video, guys. So it's our last day in Edmonton officially. We've been in Edmonton for the past week, enjoying the city, showing you guys what the city has to offer. I really hope you guys really like the videos that we gave you guys while being in Edmonton. So we decided to stay at this hotel. It's called the Radisson Conference Center. It's located 16 minutes outside of downtown Edmonton. Really nice hotel. We had absolutely no complaints. Has a pool, kids enjoyed it, we enjoyed it, and we get to somewhat drive into the town and get to see some of the views of the city and stuff like that. So if you're thinking of visiting Edmonton, you can definitely consider this hotel. Very cost effective, wasn't too expensive. Breakfast can be included if you like, and it's very nice and clean. So yeah, here we are going downtown Edmonton. Construction season. We are still in Alberta after all. These are just some views. When we just got to Edmonton, it was so sunny, but the weather quickly changed and then it became so rainy. Oh man, like we love seeing these big buildings. We had to stop off the highway, pull over and take some pictures. Yeah, this is nuts. Doing our best pose, you know how it is. You have to put your best foot forward at all times. Smash a like if you think Nats is doing a good job posing. And if you don't think she's doing a good job, just wait until you see what's coming next. Bam! That's me. What do you guys think about that pose? Smash a like on the video if you like the background. This is Edmonton in all of its glory. This is literally on the side of the highway. We just pulled over, decided that we have to get that shot of that beautiful background. Now, it's such a beautiful day. We had to take the train. This is our first time taking the train and we were so excited taking the LRT. And you can probably tell by my facial expression that it's coming up very soon. Ha, there you go. Ufa Gladbach bus. You guys know how it is. Smash a like on this video. We do have a video where we share that experience in its entirety. So you guys can go and check out our first time taking the train in Edmonton. In Canada in general, and even in our life, we have never taken a passenger train before. It was very fun. It was very cheap, $3 for 90 minutes. Come on guys, where else are you gonna find that in the world? I'm not sure what it is in your city, but you can drop a price and let me know. Now we took the train and we ended up going to Southgate Mall. We didn't want to be last, so of course we had to use the directory. Ladies wanted to find the bathroom, so that was first on the list of priority. This mall is so beautiful. It's not as big as West Edmonton Mall. However, it does have a lot of amenities that we really like, and the space is very good. The lighting is excellent, perfect for vlogging, and there's lots of things to do. So if shopping is your goal, we realized that the costs are not even that expensive. We went into a couple of stores and we realized that it's very affordable. Now, I don't even remember what I'm talking about right here, but if you can see in the background, I am chilling with the Anglins from beaches to snow. If you don't know who they are, go and check them out on YouTube. Jamaican family who has moved to beautiful city of Edmonton, straight from Jamaica, and they are still transitioning. So they are sharing their journey as they transition. So if this is something that you're interested in, go and check out From Beaches to Snow. That's Colin, big boss in the background right there. Renee is somewhere with Nats. I think the ladies, I don't even know where they are. This is us looking around like, what do we do next? We're lost without these ladies. But nonetheless, we still figured it out. We just walking around like chicken with its head cut off. I don't even remember what I'm talking about right here, guys. But long and short, we were just killing time because I think Nats and Renee went to the bathroom with the kids. So we were just pretty much just catching up our reasoning, having men talk while they are doing their whatever they are doing. All right, now guys, if you've made it this far in the video and you haven't already liked the video, what are you waiting on? Please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. It really helps me out. Here we are. We had to take some more photos. You guys know photos are memories. That's Renee, that's Nats, that's Malika. You guys know how it is. Photo on fleek, that's all we do. Lots and lots of photos. This one kind of looked a little bit dark, but anyways, more photos and more photos. After we left the mall, guys, we decided to go back downtown. So we took the train back downtown and it started raining, but nonetheless the show must go on. We wanted to see the legislative building. here in Edmonton. We've never seen it before, so this was a wonderful experience for us as well. And this is it right around the corner right here. We were almost dumbstruck at the beauty of this building. Now this is the Parliament building here in Edmonton, Alberta. This is where all the policies are made in the province. Of course, Edmonton is the capital of Alberta. It has a water fountain. That's what we call this. As you can see, Malika is really enjoying enjoying her time here in Edmonton. What a nice shot that leads straight up to the legislative building. You know what, guys? In the nighttime, it actually lights up. The fountain actually lights up. So it's such a beautiful sight. And here's Nat doing jumping jacks. I don't know what she's doing, but Nat is just doing her. She probably thought I was taking a photo, but I was actually videoing. She has no idea. She's probably gonna not want me to put this clip there, but there you go. When she see it, she see it. It's better to ask for forgiveness than for permission. Now, yeah, guys, back to the building. Now, this building is one of the oldest buildings in Edmonton, and it keeps its look representative of the capital city, and it's just beautiful. Now, let's talk about these scooters, guys. Amazing, convenient, and cheap. You can take these scooters right around the city of Edmonton. You can just ride it right around, right? But it does come at a fee. From what we see, you have different types. This one is the lime one. It costs like 50 cents per mile or something like that. And of course, we link up with Orlando from the night. Them we're just riding around, and then he just saw us, and we're like, "Yo, Orlando, link up." And then we were just catching up a little reason, asking what's going on with the night them and stuff like that. And of course, I'm not gonna pass up an opportunity to be a kid again. Look at my face. Yo. There we go again. Bless up, bro. Bless up, bless up, bless up. Good to see you. Heal up the wife. Heal up the kid. You know how the thing goes. If we ever move into Edmonton, we need to have a big party. But who knows? Probably in the future. Who knows, right? Definitely something in the making. Now, we decided to continue walking around a little bit more. Go closer to the building, because we wanted some closer pictures, right? But the rain just won't leave us alone. And with the kids, we decided that we have to. Even though Edmonton is the capital of Alberta, it's actually the second most populated city behind Calgary. Still a big city, over 1 million people lives in the city of Edmonton. Beautiful place to live. After all that walking, guys, we got hungry. So we went to Red Lobster's, one of our favorite restaurants here in Canada. And we had some meal with the Anglins as well. It was, of course, delicious. We didn't really get to video it, but we have some photos to show. And then we went back to the hotel, and this is us going to church. If you haven't seen that video already, go and check out that video where we actually vlogged us going to church and all of that. But this was just a part of our vacation week, I'd call it. We went to church and we linked up with some real authentic people. We meet some persons for the first time. Good energy, Caribbean persons. More so Jamaican, Trinidad, Grenadian, you know the thing. We felt at home, which is very, very good. We haven't felt like that in a long while, so this was definitely a good part of this trip, and we're really so happy that we have found that spot, and we'll definitely be going there back. This was actually our first time going to church ever since moving to Canada. We didn't know what to expect. We weren't not even planning on going there, but then when we link up with Rochelle, she was like, "You guys are coming to church," and we're like, "Okay, let's do it." And then here we are going to church, looking as casual as it can get, but nonetheless we represented, definitely we did. Thank you, Rochelle, for inviting us. It was a rainy week in Edmonton, guys. I'm not sure if we were the ones who brought the rain, but it was a very overcast, cloudy, and wet week in Edmonton. But we give thanks same way. We absolutely love the city of Edmonton. We consider it to be our second home. If we should ever leave Grand Prairie, I think that's high on the list of one of the places where we would probably consider living, because it just feels comfortable. I'm not sure if it's because we've been there so many times. Oh, this is a very good shot of the hotel, guys. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's because we've been there so many times, but it's really, really, really a good city. There's so many culture experiences that can be explored. and you just feel comfortable, right? Now that I guess that's one of the benefits of living in a big city compared to living in a small town kind of thing, right? Now here we are, guys. This is a proof that we're actually in church. Yeah, Malia is not having it. Anglin's over there, Malika being Malika. I feel like I was in Jamaica again, guys. This is Malika getting sensitive to the amount of noise, and this is us taking more pictures. That's Rochelle in the picture. Big up, Rochelle. Thank you for inviting us. We really appreciate it. So to wrap up this trip, guys, we decided to just go on a little drive around the city, just so you guys can, have visuals of what Edmonton look like. These are just the outskirts of the city, going in the city, coming out of the city. If you like the views, don't forget to like the video. Drop a comment, let me know if you'd consider moving to Edmonton. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed, and let me know. Just let me know whatever it is that you're thinking in the comment section, where you're watching from, and just communicate, right? Just support me by liking the videos. When you like the videos, it definitely goes out to more audience. All right, thank you guys for spending this week with us. We really appreciate it. See you guys in the next video. See, 7 minutes. Okay.
In 1.3 kilometers, turn right onto 97. Go past this light, then at the next one.